Window grills are the decorative bars that are placed in between the panes of your window to give it a unique look or match the aesthetic with other windows. As a homeowner, putting grills isn't just one way to make your window look unique and stand out from the rest of the street. We find window grills in almost every home and office. They are used as dividers, barriers, or for decorative purposes. Window grills can be made from wood, stone, aluminum, or other metals. Among these, aluminum grills are much popular as they are durable, good in strength, reusable, and require less maintenance. A grill may function as a window, either with or without glazing. Grill work is sometimes referred to as simply as a grill. Window grills are used to avoid unauthorized access through windows and prevent crimes such as burglary and home invasions. They are used in commercial and government buildings as well as in residential settings. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of our window grill design ideas video. If you haven't watched part 1, please watch it after completing this video. The link is in the video description and somewhere on the screen. This video contains a collection of beautiful and practical window grill design ideas which were not included in the previous video. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Your subscription means a lot to us. Our YouTube analytics shows that more than 90% of our viewers are not subscribed. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to create more content. Therefore, please make sure to subscribe. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. There is an increased demand for window grills due to a variety of reasons. This includes security and decoration among others. Use of window grills adds security to your home and office properties. They are not easy to break. It is obvious to see a glass window smashed down in a few seconds and your property stolen. But safety grills on windows ensure that your glass or standard window is not interfered. Since old decades, the decoration and appearance is propelling the people to go for designer window grills. A decorative design on windows always looks appealing and adds to the ambience of the house, as the metals are easily joined to each other, so the window grill can be designed in traditional artwork with latest patterns. Additionally, there are different finishing options for a contemporary look. Aluminum is a rust-proof metal. Unlike iron and other metals, the aluminum doesn't corrode when in contact with water. This makes aluminum window grills long-lasting. In addition, aluminum window grills are lightweight. They do not exert pressure on the concrete like other metals, which results in increase the durability of windows and grills. Aluminum is a non-magnetic metal and does not ignite easily. Compared to other metals, aluminum grills require low maintenance. Installing window grills for glass windows is an age-old practice and is still a lot in vogue due to the advantages they offer. If you have glass window at your home and if you are considering whether to install grills for them or not, then here are 3 reasons that will make your decision easier. Safety. Glass windows are vulnerable points of a house, and if they are not provided with additional protection, then burglars can easily break into your house or your office and can be subjected to vandalism. By installing strong grills, you diminish this possibility to a great extent. But it's not just about keeping predators out. You're also keeping safety within, especially if you have young children who are always naturally inclined to look for adventure in all the wrong places. Also, window ledges are notorious places for objects falling down or getting knocked out quite suddenly. So, with window grills, you're not just ensuring your safety, you're also avoiding a lot of accidental material damage. Fresh air. While glass windows let in enough sunlight, they block the air circulation when closed. If you are a fan of throwing your windows open, even in the night, window grills can help immensely. They're a great way to keep your home ventilated without letting in any other insects buzzing around in good weather. Aesthetics. There is very little that competes with a well-designed wrought iron window grill in your living room. The great part is that they have come a long way from plain steel bars that mimicked prison cells. Window grills are now available in various designs and patterns, and installing them gives a definite boost to the style you're trying to set for your space. To grill or not to grill is the big question for homeowners looking to replace their windows every year. Think of your window in the context of trends, home style, or personal aesthetics. Grills are like guardians for homes. Grills are installed to not only provide security from burglars and thieves, but also help prevent accidents like tipping of the window. This is especially for those having small children or kids at home. Many homeowners feel being captive due to grills installed in balcony and windows, but it's on you to decide whether feeling secured is important or convenience. Different types of materials can be used to make window grills. The most common materials used include steel, aluminum, and iron, and sometimes concrete lattice structures. Today, window grills are generally made of steel, that is bright steel or mild steel, because of its durability and sturdiness. Bright steel grills have become a fad for modern home windows and balconies today. Aluminum window grills are one of the lightest types of grills. Aluminum is actually an amalgam of lightweight and heavyweight metal, and therefore the density of aluminum is quite low. The lightweightness of aluminum doesn't really work as an advantage for concrete structures, but work very well for houses partially made of wood. Iron window grills. Iron being a heavy metal, and therefore grills are too heavy, known to be the most potent type of grill as compared to the rest. The heaviness and the strength of iron makes it a beneficial reinforcement for homes. The major issue is with iron is that it will rust easily for places like high moisture and humidity, and therefore the cost to spend for maintenance is rather high installation cost as well. Bright steel window grills. Bright steel is a mild steel but much of a finished product and are used where perfection counts. Bright steel grills are said to be the best quality grills. This is because the raw material, chemicals, etc. used to make a bright steel grill is the best quality, whereas other materials used to construct a grill are usually recycled ones or amalgam of various materials. Also, steel being a heavy metal, its strength and toughness make it next to impossible for it to easily break or bend as compared to others, but bright steel grills can be welded into any type of design. As it is rightly said that with perfection and quality comes the price, bright steel grills are expensive than the rest. One reason being the best of material is used to construct or make bright steel grills, which increases the cost by 35 to 40%. Secondly, the labor cost. The labor work is almost 2 times more due to the finishing given to bright steel grills. In total, if you compare other grill rates, bright steel grills cost almost double the price. World reviews. As you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting window grill design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.